Hi, my name is Candace Hart. I came to Dr. Reese with back pain, lower back pain, couldn't walk up and down the steps. I had muscle spasms, and I'm back to playing golf and riding my horse and walking a mile every day. Thank you, Dr. Reese.
Hi, my name is Enrico Brusoni, and I want to thank Dr. Ray for the help he gave me for my back. I'm really more than happy. He helped me a lot. I want to thank again.
Hi, I'm Tricia Bloomberg, and I have been coming to see Dr. Reese for about 2 years now. And before I came, I was having a lot of trouble with my back, with pain in my back. When I would sit, I couldn't sit, and I loved to walk. And when I walked, I would get this numbing and tingling all the way down my legs and into my feet sometimes. And it was just keeping me from doing the things that I love to do. And so I came to see Dr. Reese, and since I have been seeing him for 2 years now, right away it started to get better, and slowly, it took me about 6 weeks before things started to totally clear up. But right now I am completely pain-free. I never have trouble sitting, which I used to have trouble with. I can walk miles and miles, which I love to do, and I am just so completely grateful to Dr. Reese and his staff for helping me to have a life again, and how much he's helped me. I just thank you so much.
My name is Scott Curry. I've been coming now for 4 weeks to see Dr. Reese. I'm having spinal decompression done. Was a little, of course, apprehensive at the start, just because you don't know what you're really getting into. All you've heard is people who have surgeries and things like that. I've got a disc that is L5, bulging at L5 and partially at S1. Dr. Reese and his staff have been incredible, and just the way they explain how everything happens, how it occurs. I'm into my 4th week, and it's incredible. I've been taking pain pills for the last 7 weeks, up to 4 to 5 a day. Today is the actual first day I've not had a Percocet in 7 weeks. All because of this spinal decompression. I definitely have Dr. Reese and his staff here to thank at the Cool Springs Neck and Back Center, and I really do appreciate everything that they're doing for me.
Hi, my name is Nishant. I've been here in the United States for the past 9-10 months, and recently I developed some back pain where I was feeling so much difficulties sitting for a long time in office, at home, and I wanted to take a treatment for that to get cured immediately, because I was facing a lot of difficulties. And I got to know of Cool Springs Neck and Back Center. And I came here, I met Dr. Reese and Dr. Coy, and they helped me. And it's around 1.5 months now, 2 months, and I'm feeling much better now. I don't feel that much difficulties, and it feels great. Thank you. Thanks for the great help that has been extended, and for the good treatment I've been getting so far. Thank you.
All right. My name is Joe Douglas. I've came to Dr. Reese and his staff for decompression therapy, and it has been a blessing. There's just been no comparison to the way I feel now as the way it was when I came. And his staff is just great, and they've been such a help. I do appreciate it.
My name is Wanda Maggard. I came in with very excruciating lower back pain. I could not ride in a car for any length of time without really hurting and being in lots of pain. Once I started my treatments, I now can go on long trips with my family and enjoy them very much without any pain, and look forward to doing more and more with my family. Thank you, Back and Neck Care of Cool Springs.
I'm Ted Coer, and I have been one of the patients here at Dr. Reese's office. I have had extensive back pain for the past 14 years. I was scheduled for surgery. In fact, I was doing my pre-op interview when I learned of Dr. Reese's procedure of spinal decompression, and I decided to come in for a free consultation, and I came back in for the beginning of that spinal decompression the very next day. I canceled my surgery, and the first day that I had spinal decompression, I walked out free of pain, And I also want you to know I'm not being paid to do this. I'm doing it because of the relief that I've had, a new lease on life that I've been given because of the freedom of pain. I've lost a lot of weight since then. My life has just been totally turned around, and I just cannot thank Dr. Reese and his wonderful staff for the help that they've given me. And they're just like family to me, and I feel like that I'm family to them. And I would encourage anyone, before you ever go in under the knife, to at least come in for a free consultation at Dr. Reese's office here in Brentwood. It just is amazing, and I just can't thank him enough. Thank you.
I'm Susan Pierce, and I came to Cool Springs Back and Neck because it was getting to where it was hard to walk and move around and bend over and do housework. And I came in, and I've been coming in maybe for 2 months now, and I don't think about the pain in my back at all, and it's a tremendous relief. So thank you, Cool Springs Back and Neck.
My name is Ernest Williamson, and I've been working with Dr. Reese and his staff for the last month and a half. I've done 20 treatments of spinal decompression, and it has helped me quite a bit. I was stiff, I could not walk, and I saw the ad in the paper, and I've been working with Dr. Reese and his staff, and I feel much better. This is my last day, but I feel much better, and I would recommend that. Spinal decompression over surgery. And I want to thank him and his staff for working with me so much. Thank you.
My name is Betty Hughes, and I had back pain for at least 10 years, and I came to Dr. Reese, and he has helped me tremendously. I can walk, I can go shopping and mop the floor, things that I couldn't do for at least 10 years without pain. And I appreciate it very much.
Terry Schmidt, and I had excessive lower back pain 3 days ago, and I am completely with no back pain now. It's quite incredible. Thank you.